Hi guys and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new blog post 27. And in this blog post, I'm going to discuss about the concept of union sets in set theory. So let's start. So when we talk about the union of two sets, what does that mean? It means that we are going to create a final set by combining two or more sets. Uh, by default, if you need to have at least two sets in order to create a union of two sets. So maximum can be any number. So let us suppose that we have two sets, and these two sets can contain any kind of number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 till 13 for set A. And then there is a set B, which contains numbers from 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So what does that union means? Union means like we are going to combine all these 20 numbers into only one set. So this is called the union of a set, and the resultant set will be named as union. So what shall we get? We shall get A union B, uh, and all the numbers that are actually present. So if we so here is the set A, and here is the set B, the red highlighting button, and the U actually denotes the union of the set, and the resultant set is this one till uh, sorry, 1 till 20. I hope so that you have got the concept of the union of two sets. Thank you.